So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to add captions for free on any video. They're going to look cool and they're going to keep your audience engaged longer, which ultimately will get you more watch time and keep your audience retention up. Now, one of the most important metrics on YouTube that you can focus on, obviously watch time is crucial because that's what's going to help you get you monetized the fastest. But what's actually going to help you get your videos suggested to more people is audience retention. Okay. And this trick is going to help you, obviously make your videos look better so that your production quality is better. And that in turn will help increase your audience retention because they'll be able to read the captions on your videos while the video is going and while it's being explained. All right. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to download CapCut. Now, CapCut, as you can see here, is a phone app. It's also a program on the computer. So you can just go to capcut.com and use the website if you want to use it directly from like your PC or your computer. I prefer the app just because I kind of like the interface and I'm more used to it. So for example, if you download CapCut, you'll see new project here. So we're just going to upload the video from your files here that you want to actually add captions to. Now, once the video's in there, as you can see here, it's kind of in there already. This one's 9 minutes long. You can have one that's much, much shorter if you want. Then you're going to click on the text on the bottom. See where it says text? So click that. Then you'll see the one that says auto captions. So then you just click auto captions and it's going to generate auto captions on the video for free for you. So click start and you'll literally see it's going 25%. 40%. It does this very, very quickly. And this is the best software that I found that does this for free and creates high quality captions that actually say what you're saying, right? So assuming you're not like mumbling your words all the time, it's very, very good at obviously detecting that. And it also, as you see, it just popped up with invalid clips. It also, if you lull for a second here and there, or you say a filler word like so or except, like something like that, it's going to detect those and it's going to delete them out. So as we scroll through, you can see it literally is it literally is generating captions of exactly what I'm saying in this video. And once we scroll down and find a filler word, we can obviously delete those clips. I'll show you what it is. There we go right here. There's a pause for 2.74 seconds as I'm showing something in the video. So it's obviously deleting that. Sometimes there's filler words in here where it's like so, and obviously you don't need a caption for that. There's another pause. A filler word where I'm saying you need to be at a point where you can offer somebody, full-time work consistently. So we don't need there as a caption. So we can delete that. We're just going to delete all 14 filler clips. You don't want to click yes, delete both, because that's going to delete the portions of the video where there's fillers. You don't want to do that. You want to click the bottom one that says no, just delete captions. And you don't have to do this either. You can skip this part. I just find that it creates better captions for you. So the next thing that you want to do is you want to go back into your video and you're going to go back down to the text bar again, right at the bottom. So text. And then you're going to click on the actual text in the image, and we're going to change the entire text layout. We're going to make it a little bit bigger, and we're going to change the font. Now, you just want to go down here to style, and then you can change the way it looks. So, for example, if we wanted it, let's make it a little bit bigger so I can show you first. So we'll go to font, and you can play around with fonts. You can change the font here. I personally really like this one. Where is it? Bangers. But there's a number of cool ones. Let's go back to that other one that we just did. If you want it, obviously, a more professional font, pick something that looks a little bit more professional. If you want something that's like a little bit more fun, you can pick that as well. Let's go with, for this example, let's go with Open Sans for right. Let's go Rubik's for right now. I don't really like that one either. Let's try Pacific. Blood. Let's try this one for now. So we'll pick blood for right now for the time being, and then we're going to actually go back into style, and we're going to scroll down and make the size a little bit bigger. So that way you can read the words a little bit easier on your video, and you can play around with how big you want them or don't want them. And then we're going to click the check mark to make it done. We're going to go back into style, and then you can kind of play around with different shadowing, different stroke colors, different text colors, or you can just use one of these that you see here on the T. You can just use one of these formats. I usually play around with these a little bit. I like the black and yellow one. That's kind of cool. Depending on the background of your actual video, you're going to want to change this so that it's a little bit more legible and readable. You can pick whatever color you want. You can also personalize it if you want to go into like effects and make bubble lettering around it, or pick your own colors. But I usually just stick with the templates. They're really, really easy to use. And that's how you can add auto captions for free. They're high quality. They look really, really cool. It's almost like all the videos that you see on TikTok with the auto captions, they're using CapCut. And that's going to increase your audience retention. It's going to increase the engagement on your videos and keep people watching longer, which ultimately will help you monetize a lot faster.